Choosing the right switch for your business is important. It's the foundation of how all your network devices connect and communicate with each other. If you pick a switch that's too basic or doesn't have enough capacity, you might run into problems like slow speeds, dropped connections, or trouble adding new devices as your business grows. Buying the highest capacity switch available is not always the best solution either. They can be more expensive, use more energy, and can be more complicated to manage, especially if you don't need all the extra features. As Goldilocks would say, you want to find one that is just right. A switch that matches your current needs with the right features, security, and ports with some room to grow. In this first of a two-part episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll compare the new Catalyst 1300X series to the 1300 series. Next. I'll start by talking about the similarities between the two series. Both the 1300 and 1300X are designed to be affordable, easy to use, layer 3 gigabit Ethernet switches. Their main target audiences are small businesses and branch offices that need reliable and secure connectivity. Some key features match up as well. Both deliver managed enterprise-class performance designed for easy deployment in locations such as wiring closets. They also operate on a customized Linux operating system, focusing on delivering value without sacrificing essential features. You can manage the 1300 and 1300X series using several options, including the Cisco Business Dashboard, Cisco Business Mobile App, CBD Lite, its graphical user interface, the command line interface, and SNMP. They also support the Cisco Network Plug and Play, PNP agent. Security is another strong point for both series. They support IEEE 802.1x for authentication, offer port security and web-based authentication, and include protections like dynamic ARP inspection, IP source guard, DHCP snooping, and IPv6 first hop security. Both series allow for resilient firmware upgrades thanks to dual image support. And you can stack up to 8 switches together and manage them as a single unit. When it comes to saving power, both series support energy-efficient Ethernet, IEEE 802.3az, which reduces energy consumption by monitoring the amount of traffic on an active link and putting the link into a sleep state during quiet periods. Both offer high link detection and feature a fanless design for quieter operation. Additionally, they support IPv4 and IPv6, making it easier to transition between protocols. Clearly, the 1300 and 1300X series have a lot in common. Now, let's see what sets them apart, starting with Power over Ethernet, or PoE. The 1300 series support both standard PoE of up to 15.4 watts per port and PoE Plus with up to 30 watts per port. That's a total power of up to 740 watts on some high-end models. In comparison, the 1300X series support Universal PoE, which can deliver up to 60 watts per port on certain models based on the 802.3bt Type 3 standard. This means that you can power more demanding devices like Wi-Fi 7 access points, advanced IoT sensors, and high-power cameras directly through the Ethernet cable. This makes setup easier and helps save money on equipment. One more difference I'll highlight in this first section relates to Layer 3 routing. While both series support static and dynamic routing, the 1300X series also supports Open Shortest Path First, or OSPF. OSPF is a smart routing protocol that quickly finds the best paths for network traffic and adjusts easily when things change. This is especially helpful for larger or more complex networks because it makes the network run more smoothly and lets routers handle outside connections and security better. That wraps up part 1. Click the link in the description for part 2, where I'll finish comparing the key features of the 1300 and 1300X series switches. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.